Watch. Are the most electrifying man. Hear me, man. Of the world, it's not a plan. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You know when I come for represent, you know a full effect thing, You know it go already, When I aim up, load up, crank up, and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You know a loud explosion. You know the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. Watch. You know a real junglist. You know out here. Watch. But here what me I say. First and foremost, me I go say, big up Coach Glenn Mills. And me I go tell you something, people. I want to listen to me carefully, Yo, you see, two ways of people where like stray from our roots and culture and love run in other people's stuff, because most people, they are not leaders, they're just followers. So them love run and follow, you know what I mean? And I run down other people's stuff. Remember, from where youth, you always hear the old people them tell you, never you bite the hands we feed you, Nah, don't kill the goose we lay the golden egg, You hear that? And a lollipop thing, watch. Yo, the shoot here, when him Johan Blake, him and Warren Weir come out and this the big man Glenn Mills, And Glenn Mills, are them man the first bring in the big goal coming to Jamaica. Them man they make DQ, And them man they make the big top sprinter in a Donald Quarry, Who win the first gold medal, Individual gold medal, And them man they train Donald Quarry, This is where I deal with and represent Jamaica and win the first gold medal in a 200 meter, Them time that the odds against Bumbuckler Jamaica, Way back then, the odds against Jamaica, And them man they teach DQ the metal, And when the look sharp man come off of the corner, last people, You see where I deal with, you see the man bring Lucien Bolt and you see where go on, right? Remember, them used to beat Usain Bolt when him does come out, Remember what Glenn Mills do, I change him action, You see what I deal with? And change him action, And I make him have a different approach, And when Usain Bolt come down, dominate the world. Alright. Remember, when you and Blake, just come out, Remember, him beat Lucien Bolt, in a race at stadium, And the people them hype him up, and him himself get hype, Because when Lucien Bolt non-stop false start in the world championship, him, I say him vex how the man false start because him did want the man run and this and that because him a feel himself. You see what I deal with? What me to him now? And a coach Glenn Mills at the fault why him a go back way, You hear that? And the youth when him Warren Weir, remember him come out when him just come a 2 silver medal him get in a Olympic and in the World Games, and them make look of money and feel themselves. And what happened to him? A back way them start go. And I see him just like some local artists. When them when them a push them against Vibes Cartel. What happened to them? What happened to them now? It look like a back way them a go. So you and Blake and under you there. When him Warren Weir, if you know say yo them speedometer buck, them can't go no faster, than where them a go right now, Them speedometer buck. So when you come out and disrespect big man like that and feel like say nobody a go put up with no bullshit. Yo, you can't violate Coach Glenn Mills, A lollipop thing that. And let me tell you something. I saw you have some boy come and think them can violate the big man Vibes Cartel, but them a push people in front. Or you can push people in front of the big world boss. And you not do no work for go in front. You think a chatting put world boss which time there? Or a boots in? Right now, you know. Remember, you know. When them a go on with them thing, you know, hot out a street like fire, you know. Remember, you know, when man, you know, get up and all that, do no review or do no a video about Vibes Cartel, you know. Boy, I tell man say Cartel for dead in a prison, carry shit bucket. I don't know which part left, but my mother where them not send me. And I just easy and watch them, because me as a man, I don't really pay a negative thing. Too much mind like that, you know. So here what go on now. The local man them, you know, who all I tell you about your mother, you know. Yeah, Mr. Man, I agree, yes. I suck my mother breast, yes, because doctor say breast good for look up baby, much less big man. Watch, and on a lollipop thing. But any boy, when I suck him mother breast, you know, try know see a feeble boy that, you know. Him weak. You see what I deal with? Him weak like a rat. A feeble. And nowadays, woman, you know, no want no baby if you suck them breasts, you turn it in no slippers, you know. Because every girl want them breasts stiff up in them chest like them a super woman. I just show you how and a be and that is a follow. Them a follow different people think that too, you know. Them a follow different people thing, you know. One time that couldn't go on, you know. Remember we are youth grew up with nappy, you know. When we pin and power, you know, that's why our back so strong, you know. Remember our pampas, them look a boy a born, you know. Nothing not there for brace up them back, you know, my virgin properly, you know. You see what I deal with? So, when I see them come out and I talk about take over and all them shit there, and I come with them look at disrespectful chat and them look at idiot talk, you know what I mean? Because you have some look at people hype them up and I boots them. And when man talk, some boy I go like say them feel like them can violate. Me don't ever listen. Because yo no talk that no ever scare me one fuck. You see what I deal with? Yeah, me just know say on no sense. Big man thing and a lollipop thing. Me just know no clown. You know what I mean? Me know no hits and twits and pussy lipstick. You hear that? Me know no foul no do the peck. Shitty will it. You hear that? So me no watch fool boy when them dead there chat. Because I don't remember say, maybe don't tell you say me is not really a blogger. Me not a blogger. Me a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth on YouTube. How much time if I make you know that? Eh? Yo, remember say, you know, it's not me sending you know, go look up underneath girl retro, you know. I want girl for play with an ass with them long tongue, you know. I never me do that, you know. So I know me who not follow, you know. Remember me say, you know, be good for girl system, you know, and girl for get be good beat down, you know. Remember me say that, you know. You know what I mean? So when I try go look for the man, you know, we're sending up underneath girl retro, you know. You hear that? No laugh with me, you know. I know me do that, you know. And then a Gaza nation do that, you know. So go find the body wash gang, you know, who send on, you know, for go look up underneath girl retro, you know. I want girl for put them tongue underneath on the retro, you know. You know what I mean? Because all that a people style on a follow, you know. All the fuck that come in a sex and when man talk, when I come chat up on the mouth and I go like say, when I feel like say some lollipop thing. But me tell you something, you know. Uno hunger can run in a people comment box with all these chatting, you know. Uno not see nobody on the street and approach them like that, you know, my virgin. Uno not do that. Uno not do that blood clot, see nobody on the street and approach them like that. You see what I did? Because I see me not follower, you know. I lead shit, you know. So when you see me out on the street, you know, all you have to do is open up your mouth, you know. I send all one of my 7-footer virgin where we all 300 pounds, you know. Come drape you off of the ground and slap you down in the earth, you know. Yeah, man, nail you down in the earth and them have to use a claw bar to pull you out. Another lollipop thing. A 10-star way my roll. You hear that? My ass. Nothing can go there. It have to be toilet paper when me lay back in the Cadillac. And go way back. You see what I dealing? Remember now we send you go look up underneath people red chum. Vice Cartel say take body girl you think we easy. And who you ramp with you want live easy. You see what I deal with? The general never come with none of them look foolish there. You see what I deal with? Because when you look at artists who wanna hype up, use Vibes Cartel style, use some local gimmicks, use the man image, blow up big in a dance hall, and then you go like you want violate. After you go like you want beat the Andre feed you know. And that you know do? You want beat the Andre feed you? Eh? Or no come a road? Eh? Why you think you stay? Why you think it's like this now? For now. Remember you know, carbon copy you know, can't beat blueprint you know. You have to know that you know. You hear that? Carbon copy can't beat blueprint. And we are the imitation and we are the original. You know what I mean? And let me tell you something. All you there chatting, you know. I know from when you hear the news what they hear, you know. And people are making you know say, you know, we're supposed to hear some good news, you know, about the world boss the next 2 weeks, you know. All know people have diarrhea, you know. From them time there until now people have diarrhea, you know. Can't do nothing in peace, you know. Because someone you know, wish and I pray, you know, the general not touch road, you know. Because if Vibes Cartel come a road right now, you know, you I don't think nobody are going to remember you know. And me personally, you know, tell you know, me a revolutionist Gaza with my mouth on YouTube, you know. So when Vibes Cartel come a road, you know, you think you can throw no word. If you talk about you want sing not this song, a 10 video a day me do. Because I'm all me a preaching a teacher head. Don't answer them. Don't look upon them. Not give them enough form of highlight. Why you da want kill them when you're there on top of the world? Make them puggle out there for themselves. Leave them. You know what I mean? Leave them. Because John did man grab off a straw. We not throw no straw there for him even try for hold on pan. You hear that? So when Vibes Cartel come a roll, you can come with it all on this song one want. Me I tell teacher, please me I beg you general, no look on them clown here. Don't answer them. Not until them find it song or big #1 song. Them have to get warm and act like how them did act.